Here I am, actually in Brooklyn, and the other side over there will be Far Rockaway. I'm most likely on Howard Beach side, and yes, there's life. Let me show you. Check this out. Whole muscle. All this is muscles. Let me just go over here and pick one off. And let's see if I can do this. I get the old trusty knife. I'm gonna open this up right now. Hoping you guys can see a little something. Oh, I don't want to let go. Look at that. All over the place. All down the beach. Got the guys fishing out there. Got the ducks. I don't know if you can see them. More. As far as eyes can see. Let me see. Pluck another one off for you guys. Here we go. Way over here. See the water dripping out? Nice and fresh. I've heard that you can eat them, but I'm not going to. Look at that. Delicious. All over. Gotta be crabs in here. Crabs are coming soon. Alright, boys and girls. For now.